Starting at around age 8, students are more likely to join our Rock 101 course.
Rock 101 is our beginner program that we put students in who have very little experience with instruments or just have never even played.
Rock 101 is the stepping stones to performance group. Students are meant to learn a handful of songs together until they start to feel really solid on their technique and ability to play in a performance setting with a live band.
We pair them together in the group, learning the songs that we can use our Method app and Method Engine to teach concepts from, and they play music together in a rehearsal setting. The great thing about Rock 101 is it also comes with a weekly lesson. It enables the students to have that one-on-one time with their instructor to harness the song that they're assigned before they get into the rehearsal and then come together as a band.
Playing with other students challenges them to be better and learn more about their craft. It's definitely beneficial.